Tell 'em. Peace, love, and pace. You are now tuned in with the Avid Soul. Appreciate you all for being here in this moment that we are creating and sharing together. Back with another bits of wisdom that we can bow to. Number 7, nature always wins. And when I speak on that, nature always wins, I speak on the fact of how everything that is born within nature, that is natural, that is seen, it goes through its cycles, it goes through its changes. But ultimately, where human life and things are brought, it always finds a way to fight back and to be resilient. So when we cut down trees, take forests, we do a lot of these different things, Mother Nature finds a way of always responding back and, at the end of the day, winning. Birds, all different animals literally have little to no need when it comes to this program life that we live. They are working out within their own realm of what they see and what they speak and have. So in that sense, that is also a win. They are able to be autonomous and do what they need. They are supplied all that they need from nature, within nature. So with that, know that nature always wins. You've been tuned in with the Avid Soul. Don't forget, keep your pace, patience, awareness, consistency, and empathy, and continue to search within. Peace, one love, and I'm out.
I know it speaks internally. I know the sun's fervent heat. The solar plexus, all parts connected. Last I checked, the last in the